Alrighty, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to animate and edit the lower third. Okay, so let's go to about right here, hit play.
This is for you. Hi, I'm Josh Warner and I'll be leading you through this course.
Okay, so I want to cut the lower third video graphic off about right here. Okay, so I'm going to go up to edit and we're going to split this layer and I'm going to delete. I was going to say delete, but let's actually just scrub it and go to about right here. And that may be good. Let me just see.
I'm Josh Warner and I'll be leading you through this course. Video editing is an in-demand skill.
Okay, so we'll leave it there.
The course is for you. Hi, I'm Josh Warner and I'll be leading you through this course. Video editing is an in-demand skill.
So we're just focused right now on this. So there you go. That's how you edit and the lower third background. Okay, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.